Are you looking to tidy up your solution folder in Visual Studio? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to relocate the .vs folder and keep your project organized. I totally get it. Having a cluttered solution folder can be overwhelming. You might feel like you're swimming in a sea of files and folders. You're not alone in this struggle, and it's great that you're taking steps to clean it up. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible or advisable to relocate the .vs folder, which is generated by the C# compiler. If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we dive into this topic. So what exactly is the .vs folder? This folder contains user-specific settings and temporary files for your Visual Studio solution. While it can take up space, it also plays a crucial role in your development environment. Let's find out if relocating it is a good idea. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip on how to manage your solution folders effectively. To relocate the VS folder, the user should first close Visual Studio to ensure that no files are in use. This is important to prevent any conflicts during the relocation process. Next, the user needs to locate the VS folder within their solution directory. This folder is typically hidden, so they may need to enable the option to view hidden files in their File Explorer. Once the user has found the .vs folder, they can move it to their desired location. This can be done by simply dragging and dropping the folder to the new location. After relocating the folder, the user must inform Visual Studio of the new location. This can be done by creating a new solution or opening the existing solution and allowing Visual Studio to recreate the VS folder in the new location. Finally, the user should verify that everything is working correctly. They can do this by building the solution and checking for any errors related to the relocation. Fun fact, did you know that the .vs folder is often ignored in source control? This is because it contains user-specific settings that can vary from developer to developer. Keeping it out of source control helps maintain a clean project. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user believes that relocating the VS folder isn't necessary. They explain that the VS folder is a temporary file cache specific to your solution. Moving it wouldn't provide any real benefits. They compare it to relocating the NuGet folder, which saves disk space and resources. If you need to clean up, you can delete the .vs folder anytime. It will be automatically regenerated when you build your solution again. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Regularly review your solution folders and clean up any unnecessary files. This will help keep your projects organized and efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to relocate the .vs folder and keep your solution folder tidy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your development environment.